Okay, so we're going to take a look at multiplying mixed numbers today. So on your paper, we're just going to kind of go through and look at about 3 questions. I'm just going to start at 1 through 4, and I'm going to just do number 1. So this will go in the number 1 box. And all that we're doing is taking this mixed number and making it improper. We practiced this, did some notes on this, and you've been working on this in elementary school as well. We're going to just show how we do that, which is 4 times 5 plus 3, so 23. Our denominator stays the same. And that's all that we're looking for 1 through 4 is just to find that improper fraction. Don't forget to fill that out on the question on the video. Okay, and we're going to also take a look at the next question. It's going to be number 5. So we're going to skip to the number 5 box, not the second box, but the 5 box. And we're just going to take a look at this example is a fraction times a mixed number. So what we're going to do is leave 2/3 exactly the same, but what I'm going to change is 3.5. Well, I've been practicing that, and I know that that is going to be 2 times 3 plus 1, which gives me 7/2. So what I'm really multiplying here is 2/3 times 7/2. Perfectly fine for that to be an improper fraction there. Now I'm going to look and try to cross cancel. 2 and 2 will both cross cancel, and we'll simplify to 1, 1. Anytime you have the same number there, it's going to turn into 1 and 1. 3 and 7, there's nothing. So it's possible to just do 2 and not 4. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. That is a possible answer. I'm also going to practice just taking that and making it into a mixed number, and that would just be by saying 3 will go into 7 2 times. Remainder is 1. And denominator stays the same. So you could put in either 7/3 or 2 space 1/3. Okay, and we'll go ahead and flip to the next problem. So let's look at one where we have let's just move over to number 14. Let's look at it. So you find the number 14 box, and in that box we have 4 2/3 times 1 and 1/2. So now we're going to, of course, make that into a improper. That's the only way to do this. And I'm going to make the second one also into an improper. 2 times 1 plus 3. 4 times 3 plus 2, that gives us those 2. And you can also tell on this one, all 4 things can cross cancel. In other words, try to go ahead and do it now before the end so the simplification is a little bit easier. 3 and 3, we've been talking about same number. As long as they are diagonal, they can't be side by side, but they have to be diagonal. They're going to turn into 1s. 2 and 14 is the same thing as 1 and 7. 2 will go into 2 once. 2 will go into 14 7 times. 1 times 7 is 7. And 1/1 is 1. So my answer is 7/1, which is true, or just plain old whole number of 7. And again, this is number 14. Number 14. And put that in the 14 box. Okay, give me just a minute and make sure you put that answer in. Make sure you do not leave an answer out for those in the video.